esteemed members of the County Assembly, distinguished guests, friends, and good people of Nyamira. I'm deeply honored and humbled to be elected as a speaker. This is a momentous occasion, not just for me, but for our entire county. I accept this responsibility with profound sense of duty and a commitment to serve our constituents with integrity, transparency, and dedication. Honourable members, as you are all aware, it's only just 3 days ago that the Almighty God rescued me from an accident. And I want to express my sincere gratitude to all of you who have placed your trust in me. Your support has been unwavering, and I promise to uphold the high standards you expect from this office. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to my fellow candidates. Your participation in this democratic process has enriched our country, our county. Honourable members, as your speaker, I pledge to uphold the Constitution and the laws of the land. I will ensure that our County Assembly operates within the confines of the law and that of the rights of every citizen are protected. Members, I will promote good governance and accountability. I will foster unity and cooperation. I will empower our communities as I will champion the needs and aspirations of our people. Honourable members, we look forward to strengthen the oversight. I will ensure that the county government is held accountable for its actions, that public resources are utilized effectively. Honourable members, I rise to inform the House of a vacancy in the position of the Deputy Speaker. The seat is vacant following the elevation and election of the position of the Speaker. In accordance with the provisions of the County Government Act and standing orders of this County Assembly, I hereby declare the seat of the Deputy Speaker vacant. Pursuant to the aforementioned provisions, I now invite nominations for the position of the Deputy Speaker. I urge all honourable members to participate in this important process and elect a suitable candidate who will uphold the dignity and the integrity of this House. Honourable members, I wish to welcome our visitors who have joined us today, mostly the visitors from Commission on Revenue Allocation, Vice Chairperson Koitamet, Lekina, Mr. Anna Salute. Good most welcome. Dr. Dave Shikumo, welcome. Judith Mooney, Asante. Isabella Wambui. Thank you, very much welcome. Next order.
Election of the Deputy Speaker of the County Assembly of Nyabaro.
Honourable members, this declaration is made pursuant to provisions of the County Government Act 2012 and the Nyabaro County Assembly Standing Order number 14-1, which states that as soon as practicable, following the election of the Speaker, a declaration shall be made for vacancy of the Deputy Speaker, and the Deputy Speaker shall be elected thereof. I have information from the Office of the Clerk that one candidate expressed interest in the seat for the said position. I call upon the Clerk to confirm. Clerk?
I confirm. It's only Honorable Matinga James who has shown interest in the position of the Deputy Speaker.
Therefore, honourable members, the position not having been contested, Honourable James Nyabaro stands elected as the Deputy Speaker of the Council. In accordance with the provisions of the said Act and the standing orders, I now propose that the Clerk of the Assembly to bring in the successful candidate for the position of the Deputy Speaker for swearing in.
Man of tactics.